Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Shillong, my passion. Let's make it a patch of beauty. AITC strengthens its women's wing in southwest Garo Hills. Robert Hospital prepares for 1 full year for centenary celebrations. And Nongtulo High Secondary School D1 bids farewell to Principal Edward Shada. And now the news in detail. The Shillong, My Passion SMP Program, an initiative under the aegis of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District with the theme All About Waste Management, was organized today at a program held at Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner's Conference Room, wherein several activities was launched by Shrimati Ailalu, Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District. During her brief address, Shrimati Ailalu stated that the Shillong My Passion SMP program belongs to each and every resident of the city, and it was created with an objective to instill among the residents the sense of responsibility towards a clean Shillong. She further added that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the program was halted, and this year, being the 50th year of statehood, there is a need to revive it in a befitting manner. This will have a positive impact on the present as well as for the future. She also praised the different stakeholders for their immense contribution and cooperation towards this program. During the day, the Deputy Commissioner launched the first episode of the SMP video series, which focused on Yainet Scam self-help group based at Marten, Shillong, wherein their efforts in turning compost from waste was documented. This was followed by the launching of 3 activities under SMP, Best Out of Waste Project, Reduce, Reuse, Recycle and Clean Pitch Challenge. These activities' primary focus is on the youth with special emphasis on college students. The features of these activities include forming of clubs at college level, coming up with innovative ideas and programs regarding waste management, and these ideas or programs will be promoted through social media by way of SMP platforms. For the Clean Pitch Challenge 18 to 35 years, students and individuals can register on the SMP website and upload their concepts or proposals, and the selected ideas have to be presented to a panel of experts, and upon selection, the ideas will be incorporated in small-scale pilot projects.
In fact, Kong Hanayor, when she had met me in the past, she said that when we initially started doing this, we would sit in taxis with people and they would cover their noses and mouths and they would say, "Who are you? Please go away from here." And such sort of behavior which make them feel very low at that point of time. But now they have become citizens who everyone looks up to, particularly in the place where they are carrying out their operations, and they have really shown the way by converting it into a meaningful enterprise. Of course, there are still many challenges which they are facing from time to time, but the very fact that waste has become something which can be thought of as a possible resource where you can generate livelihoods out of it, you can even generate revenue out of it, you can make it into something which is meaningful and which contributes. That is something which we have to thank them for, and many other organizations who have done their bit in this regard.
Aiming to create a space for the active involvement of women in spreading the party's vision across the state, Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress constituted Southwest Garo Hills District Mahila Committee and Ampati Block Mahila Committee. In the presence of Salman Para TMC MLA Winnasan D. Sangma and Mahila Pradesh Trinamool Congress President Selma D. Shira, women's wings were constituted. Addressing the huge gathering, Salman Para TMC MLA Winnasan D. Sangma explained how the MDA government has been betraying the people of Meghalaya. Trinamool Congress State Mahila President Selma D. Shira congratulated the newly appointed office bearers and urged women across Meghalaya to join hands with TMC. She also elaborated on how Meghalaya Trinamool Congress has become the credible alternative for the people of Meghalaya.
동종 못산 아시방 우야 원이 그만산 증에 그 달급을 발티오 미망그리 안증이 이자잉아 미망동아 안증이 올린데 트리나몰 콩그레스 엔데바 달로나 송 디스트릭 코리 들나갔다 증아 다리는 작작구자 달로 미자 안티니 스강 망망산 티긴데선 옹이가 야 Madam Sermako, Anjini State Kemal ni President Sungacok Mahila ni. Wen baksana yang ni jakrat sidong ko pagambak warek rek. Yan party ni Krongrara talor apusan dake na simangko ye district ko dong pa. Mandirang ko redel na. Blok ke kitam dongan cungo. Kemak di blok ke ibrimang anjing de. Ampati Salman para Mahendragans Rangsa Kona ra pangnan West Garsi Sapreme mana election ko chin kandak ka ni gaman Rangsa Kona ko ichibak dona ndi ban chin block.
The Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital released the souvenirs on the 20th of October as part of the centenary celebration, where the Chief Secretary of the State, D.P. Walang, graced the function as the chief guest in the presence of the member governing body, Reverend H.E. Marbanyang, from the Souvenir Committee, Reverend Dr. B.L. Nongbri, the Administrative Officer, retired IAS, K.W. Marbanyang, the Organizing Secretary of Centenary Celebration, the Menbasan F. Myrom, the doctors, the nurses, the staff, and the members of the church. The Robert Hospital is preparing for 1 full year to celebrate the 100 years of its service to the people, and it will begin on the 4th of November and conclude on the 3rd of November 2022.
Of being healthy and being spirited in sports has entered all the pastors, and they're all, in fact, every day I see them practicing also in polo. Many of them. I told them, in fact, jokingly, I told some of them that don't forget that you have to go to your respective postings, and don't forget that you have other duties also. So it's good fun, but I just want to remind, it's not my brainchild, I think, it's a teamwork again. I remember when Pastor Thama came, he said that, because we go and play in different places just for fun, as I said, entertainment. When he said that we want to play a match with my team from the church side, from the pastor side, I said, what do you expect out of it? He said, maybe we'll have one small exhibition match for the centenary, and maybe about 20,000-30,000 is what we expect would be the revenue that we generate from this, and this will go to the coffers of the centenary fund. Then I called my friend Wanshan Kakran, who is also in the government, and we played together most of the time. And I said that this is what they aim in the next meeting, that is, and we aim to get about 20,000-30,000.
The principal of the Nongtulu Higher Secondary School, D1 Edward Shadab, on 20th October retired from his 33 years of service as a teacher and a principal of the school with full honor. Shadab became the principal of the Nongtulu Higher Secondary School D1 in 1989 with only 53 students, and through his service, the school now has grown in number and strength. And today, to honor this great teacher, the school organized a program in the presence of the MLA, Nongpo Miralbon's aim, the teachers and students of the Northern Ribhoi College, the parents and residents of the village.
Tebenong hakaliang jong kena coba pulai kita guna bah kini kijaka kijongi hang itu tipo tenrei kat padang mikisnem ngi janang bon mentate la belai kita kena school tu bla pulai ni kita pas matrik la bon bah we fakoi ke jing let's say kelahan nang ta coba pas ke degree ru la bon bah Mdon jing versu bat kita kisnong hagi aposol lester lakon ongno nila long kunju kuba long kita kinong so senero hakijing ya nanti ko munong hikai kalau ke bos notena ban itu epi ba nakadang jong ahi ngayo ka support ka biang bahan nakadang kista.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.